All right. The HM1 here is almost out of fuel. The M96 just ran out of fuel. I need to do something about that governor, but the spring setup I have, I don't want to stretch or cut the original spring on it until I find a good fitting replacement, because I always like to have the original parts available to put back in case I make a mistake on something. But the HM1 ran for about 4 hours on that tank of fuel with this soft governor that I got set up on it, and the M96 went for an hour and a half on the tank of fuel it had. So the softer springs are really doing well, and the HM1 really just goes forever and ever on the tank of fuel.